What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy GK, you heard me?
Maybach music.
You ain't about that life, man, that you up about. You ain't about that life, man, that you sing about. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man, that you sing about. You ain't about that life, man, that you rap about. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. LMP, look what the street made me, an animal. Hard-headed bastard, cold-blooded criminal. Ruthless in so many ways, it gotta be a miracle. After 2 shots, I made it out the hospital. Now I'm stronger than ever, skin rougher than leather. Facing any weather with thirds of these operators. I'm a fucking problem, can't you see it in my eye? I'm nothing but trouble, trying to commit suicide, cause that's what it's gonna be. When I set up the crime scene, I'm always gonna win, cause I'm true to the game. Y'all always gonna lose for going against the grain. It's simple and plain, y'all niggas ain't about that life. What y'all know about the street life, heat life? What y'all niggas know about moving keys? What y'all niggas know about getting G's? What y'all niggas know about pushing V's? 12 that is, and you know I stay coming back like a cook of crack, and you know it's a fact. I'm the CEO of my label, and you know nigga like me, I'm busting shots to your motherfucking neighbor. What you really wanna do is stack up, get your money up, and you know nigga like me, I still won't give a fuck. You ain't about that life, man, that you rap about. You ain't about that life, man, that you sing about. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You a buster. You ain't about that life, man, that you sing about. You ain't about that life, man, that you rap about. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. What you know about getting locked up, going upstate? No commissary, no visit. Your bitch done moved on. And when you was on the street selling coke, pushing that work, she was right there by your side like a clone. Now the bitch is gone, now the bitch is gone. What you know about that street life? Chicky chicky bang bang life. What you know about the cook up crack? What you know about the dope spot? What you know about having chicks on the strip? What you know about that? Yeah, you ain't about that life, don't rap about it. Don't say shit about it, keep your mouth shut. All you can talk about is somebody else's life. Get it in your fucking mind, you pitiful. Yeah, you pitiful, and you sorrowful, and it's pitiful. How fucked up niggas gonna sign you a deal when you sound like shit for real? You ain't about that life, man, that you rap about. You ain't about that life, man, that you sing about. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man. You ain't about that life, man.
Tell them where you come from, man. Stuck in the trap with no white, make you sell powder. In the house with no lights, make you take a lot of showers. Demons talking in dreams, when you broke they seem to get louder. All black fell back, ready to rob me a coward. Or you could be real, brains on the steering wheel. Be still, don't blame me, I'm hungry and leaving till I eat here. If I asked in fact, I would've got a reject. Post up in my nigga shit, should've showed more respect. Broke to my feet, shit, you ain't show me a check. But fuck that, to your neck, shit, I up this tech. And fuck you nigga, and everything you stand for. Your mama too, if she come round, I probably talk about her on the blue. But this a freestyle off the dome. Fuck where you from and where you wrong. You ain't about that shit, nigga. Yeah, man, it's just us talking a little shit. When I say us, I mean us in general, as far as you should already know. Us, nigga.